this emergency update, Ethereum could be doing something massive, and this could be really bearish for Ethereum if it does this. If it does this head and shoulders pattern, it could be going all the way down to this level. Why is this so important for Ethereum, and what will Ethereum do if it goes down to here? I'll be explaining you guys all that and more in this video, so let's get into it. Hi guys, my name is Anthony, and this is scripted for you. Look at this, like I said in the intro, we are doing this gigantic head and shoulders. We already did the left shoulder, we did the head, and now we're starting to do the right shoulder. Now, I just want to clear up one thing. If we're going to break below this level, where are we going to go? Because this is going to be huge. You can see that this head and shoulders is on 4-hourly time frame, and we're doing this potential head and shoulders. We could, of course, invalidate this head and shoulders by confirming support on the neckline. Of course, that is always like that. This could be invalidated head and shoulders if we confirm support, and I hope that does happen, because if that happens, I would be bullish on Ethereum. Now look at this. Ethereum, if it confirms support on 1,722 and goes up, that invalidates the head and shoulders. But if it goes above this level, I'll be bullish. I'll explain to you guys later why I think that. Now look at this. The target of this neckline will be 1,491. Now that is a little tiny bit, and I'm saying a little tiny bit less than $1,500. And now, you know that's a gigantic psychological level. So we could be tapping a $1,500. Now, why is this super bad? Well, you guys know that in my previous video, I talked about this ascending, broadening wedge. And of course, this is a bearish target. Of course, we broke below it right here, and you could move it down a little bit like this. But mostly, it would go like that. But if we move down to here, that's going to be fine. But we're just going to be dumping to the bottom of this triangle. Now, if we break this triangle, and if you guys go like this, or if you guys go like this, I'd probably go like this. If we break this triangle, this will be really bearish. Ethereum could be this could be the end of Ethereum's bull run. This is why I don't think we'll break this. But we are looking like we're gonna actually be falling down to about right here. But you guys heard in the last video that I was saying that Ethereum was doing this bull flag, and this bull flag could take us to $1,400. Now, I don't think that this is right anymore, because look at this. When we broke out of this bull flag, we had no volume, zero volume at all. Now, what we could be doing is this falling wedge. This was a bullish indicator, and I think we were ready to reach the target, because the target is all the way to the top of here, and we did that already. We already went above it, and of course, this means that this target is over, but of course we can count this as support. And look at this, we are using this as support, and this is pretty bullish as long as we're staying above this. But in the long term, there's something else that is also bearish. Of course, there is this, how is it called? The head and shoulders pattern that could take us down to here, but that is not the only bearish thing. Look at this. There, we are starting to do a lower high. Look at this. So let's just go in, even though this is a smaller time frame, this is a pretty good example. Look at this. So when we are going up, we usually do higher highs. And when we do higher highs, we go up. As soon as we start doing lower highs, we start falling. And maybe it's like in the midterm or the short term, but as soon as we start doing higher highs again, we go up. Lower highs, we go down. Higher highs, we go up. And right now, we're doing a lower high, and this lower high could be seen on the daily time frame. This is crazy, guys, because this lower high could be making us fall down all the way down to here. And if we actually start doing these lower highs, this could be bearish for Ethereum. So how to make us again bullish is to start making higher highs in the smaller time frame. So in the 4-hourly time frame, we should beat this level right here, 1,945. If we beat that level, we're going to keep doing our higher highs. And if we're going to keep doing our higher highs, that means we should break this level, which is going to make us higher highs on the daily time frame, which is going to make us go up even more. So if we break below $1,720 and we start doing this head and shoulders pattern, this is going to be crazy for Ethereum, because it's going to start doing lower lows, and it's going to even it could be starting to do lower lows on the 1-hourly time frame. Is already sort of doing it. You can see that lower low, lower low, lower low. And if we keep falling, we could be doing even more lower lows. This is going to be really bearish for Ethereum if it does that. You can see that we're already breaking the 24-hourly and the 54-hourly. That's another bearish thing. So this is bearish for Ethereum. Now, look at this. We have some hope though. We kind of look like we're doing something like a cup and handle. And let's just say we are doing a cup and handle. So you could count it about like something like this. And even though this is a bad channel, you could be saying that this was the cup and this is the handle. And if we break above this cup and handle, then our target would be $2,600. Now that is bullish. Now look at this. The RSI and stochastic RSI are also low, really low on the 4-hourly time frame. So I think we could be going up. But the only thing that we're not supposed to do for Ethereum is break the $1,712. $1,721, I mean. So if we break that level, this is going to be Ethereum falling down to about $1,500. And of course, let me just show you guys that this dump will be about 15%. But if we start doing higher highs and we start doing this potential cup and handle, then we could be going to the target of $1,600, which is a 36% pump. Now that will be really bullish for Ethereum. Now, of course, that would be really bad in the long term because that would be hitting this top of this ascending broadening wedge, and that could mean that we could be seeing a gigantic dump down to about $1,600. But that is, of course, potential. If we keep breaking this, we could be seeing a gigantic pump. Of course, you guys know that Ethereum follows Bitcoin. So Ethereum follows Bitcoin. If I'm predicting this, that means Bitcoin could be going up. But of course, I'm going to have to look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin kind of looks bearish because it's doing a head and shoulders pattern also. And of course, this head and shoulders for Bitcoin could be taking us down to $44,900. Now, that could mean Ethereum could also dump. So this is a lot of things that's gonna happen right now. So Ethereum is looking bearish, Bitcoin's looking bearish, but if we do this, we could be pumping really hard. So guys, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!